Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a DocuSign account. As you can see, I'm on docu.com. So you're on their official website and you can easily head over to the website by typing docusign.com and it will take you over to the official website of Docu. And to create an account is very easy. Just simply click and try for free on the upper right hand side and you can enter your email address. That can be whatever it is. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address right here. And you can choose if you want to receive marketing communication from DocuSign. This is optional. Then just go ahead and click and get started. Now you want to go ahead and enter your first and last name. I'm going to go ahead and enter that. And you want to enter your phone number as well. This is very important. After entering those digits, you should receive a 6-digit verification to your email. So you want to go over to your email and just basically find that verification code that was sent to you. As you can see here, I got that verification number. So I'm going to copy this and head back over to Docu and enter that and click and next. Now you want to enter your phone number again, which they will send a verification code. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number. It's also very important that you select your country code. This is going to allow you, once you enter that, your phone number should look like this. In my case, that's mine. So I'm going to go ahead and click send code and they should send a code to my phone. And you want to go ahead and enter that code that was sent to you. Then click on verify and this should verify your account. Now from here, you want to go ahead and create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and create one right here. Now you want to enter your password again and click on login. And once done, this is your Docu account, guys. As you can see here, it's going to request that you finish setting up your account by selecting the industry. You can choose whatever. I'm going to just choose education right here. Why did you sign up? I'm going to just choose the option I need to sign document today or whatever it is. You can say whatever it is. Just go ahead and select it, click on next, and you can go ahead and just start by inviting people and so forth. We're going to skip this for the time being and skip the rest because I'm going to show you more of how you can use this account right here. So if you would like to learn how to use Docu, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and look forward because I'm going to create an entire playlist showing you step by step how to use Docu. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is a sign up showing you how to register for Docu account. Really hope you found this useful and looking forward to see you in future videos.